Hello everyone. This is Sayed. I just wanted to share with you 5 amazing tricks that will improve, that will help a lot in improving your iPhone battery life. I mean by that, like your iPhone daily consumption or battery life, and protect it from aging on the long run. Anyway, let's jump into details and start our video. Um, we will need the shortcuts app, which is by default you will find it on your device, or you can just download it from the Apple Store. We will hit that shortcuts app and open it. Then we will hit the automation one, which is in the middle, and we will hit the plus sign on the top right corner, and we will hit or choose create personal automation. Then we will scroll the whole way down. Our first trick, which is related to low power mode. As you know guys, low power mode, it just helps a lot to save battery life. But the iPhone, once the iPhone reaches over 80% of battery percentage, the iPhone automatically just turn it off. So we just want to make sure that our low power mode is turned on all the time. Anyway, so we just, when low power mode is turned off, we'll add an action which is set low power mode on again. Then we will hit next, and we need to make sure to untoggle the last option, which is ask before running. Yeah, we don't want that. So, and we'll hit done. Then we are all set with the first with our first trick. And let's move on to the second one. We'll do the same thing. We'll hit again the plus sign on the top right corner and create another personal automation. Scroll the whole way down, and that one related to battery level. So we will just like move that uh, toggle that thing, that ball thing, and we want to make sure that once the our battery percentage falls below 10%, we will ask the iPhone to play a sound to alarm us, because most of the time we don't pay attention for that, and that's bad for your battery health, and it's actually dangerous to use your iPhone or phone in general while the battery is less than 10%. Anyway, we'll just do an action, or choose to do an action, which is play sound. So, and we'll hit next, and again we need to make sure that we that the iPhone like don't ask us before running that. So I would just untoggle ask before running, and done. So we are done with our second trick. Let's move on to our third trick, which is another automation once again, and same thing. We hit that plus sign over on the top corner, top right corner, and create personal automation. Scroll the whole way down. So that one related to battery level once again, and that one is gonna be like extremely important, especially when you leave your iPhone to charge overnight or whatever, because that hugely harm your battery. So we just make sure once the battery level equals 100%, we will set that action, which is um, start timer. So the idea is, like, for example, to move from 1% to 2%, maybe according to your battery health, it takes up to 10 minutes maybe. So once you know or decide the time according to your battery health, the time that the iPhone move up 1%, so that will be the timer that we will set. So the idea is once it reaches 100%, we'll give it, for example, like 10 minutes, which is the normal time to move from 99%, for example, to 100%, to make sure the battery was charged fully. So we'll just give it a timer, start a timer for 10 minutes, for example. Then once the timer ends, so you will get alarmed. Accordingly, we will avoid the overcharging overnight. Again, same thing. We will untoggle ask before running. Don't ask, and done. So we are done with our third trick. So another trick which I find it very useful, especially such a trick will protect us if we left our iPhone to charge in like a public place like a restaurant or like in class or whatever, and you want to make sure that nobody like steal it, for example. Anyway, so how to do the idea of this trick is just like once it is disconnected from power, so you will get an alarm. So we will create another personal automation. As we said, once it is disconnected from power, that means like somebody unplugged it or like somebody took it from the place that you left your iPhone on it. So we'll hit next. Then we will start timer again. Start timer, and this time we're gonna choose seconds, and we will only make it 1 second. So once it is disconnected, it will give you that sound, and actually I chose the alarm sound on the clock app, the alarm sound, which is sound pretty harsh and catchy. Anyway, so next, again we will untoggle ask before running, don't ask, and that's it. So we are done with our fourth trick. Our last one, which is a +1 actually, it's just like it's a bit funny and I wanted to share it with you guys. We'll hit again the plus sign on the top right corner of the screen, create personal automation once again, and this one related to when iPhone again is connected to charge. So now you will know that your iPhone is connected to charging, is like actually started to charging. So we'll hit next, and we'll add an action, which is I made it myself. So we'll hit text, find that, then we will say ouch. hurts, for example. It hurts, for example. Something funny. You can choose whatever you want, and we will need another thing, which is speak, to make the iPhone like speak that. So it will be something like that.
Ouch! It hurts.
I found it a bit funny and I wanted to share it with you guys. So we'll hit next again, then we'll untoggle ask before running once again, then done. That's it, guys. I hope you found that simple tricks useful. Please, if you like the video, hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out.